My dear, what I can do from my end? You tell me. If one student can join this via MICM, then it is applicable to everybody. They have to manage, my dear. Nothing can be done from our end, because if one student is able to join it, then it is applicable to other student also. 1B, 1A, sorry, 1A, how much we have done? We have done a question number, no, question, okay, we have done question number 6. 6 we have to do. Write down 6, write down, evaluate, write down this, 6, question number 6, evaluate. First, 2 into 4, 2 into 4 into 6 into 8. 2 into 4 into 6 into 8. So you have to multiply the sign. What is sign of 2? Plus. Sign of 4? Plus, plus, plus. So multiplication of plus will be plus, plus into plus plus, plus into plus plus, plus into plus plus. So final sign will be plus. Final sign will be plus. Then you have to multiply the number. 2 4s are 8. No, 2 4s are 8. 8 6 are 48. 2 4s are 8. 8 6 are 48. 48 8s are, let us see, 8 8s are 64. 384. So answer is plus 384. Plus 384 we write 384. We don't write the plus sign. So answer is 384. My dear, chalo join, no problem, join. One more time, let me see. 2 into 4 into 6 into 8. So whenever it comes to multiplication of integer, first you have to multiply the sign. No sign means plus sign. So plus into plus, plus into plus plus, plus into plus plus, plus into plus plus. So final sign will be plus. Then multiply the number. 2 4s are 8, 8 6 are 48, 48 8s are 384. Answer is plus 384. Answer is plus 384. Now second, 2 into minus 4, 2 into minus 4 into 6 into 8. So first you have to multiply the sign, my dear. What is sign of this 2? Plus. This is minus. This is plus. No sign means plus sign. Plus. So now you multiply. Plus into minus, minus. Then minus, plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into plus, minus. So final sign will be minus. Final sign will be minus. Then you multiply the number. 2 4s are 8, 8 6 are 48, 48 8s are 384. So answer is minus 384. Answer is minus 384. Now next is same method we are doing, my dear. Minus 2 into 4, minus 2 into 4 into 6, minus 6 into 8. Minus 6 into 8. So you have to first multiply the sign, my dear. First you have to multiply the sign. This is minus, this is plus. 4 means plus 4. Minus sign. 8 means plus 8. Now it is multiplication. So multiply. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into minus, minus into minus, plus. Plus into plus, plus. So final sign will be plus. Final sign will be plus. Then we write, multiply the number. 2 4s are 8, 8 6 are 48, 48 8s are 384. So answer is plus 384. Plus sign we don't write. Answer we write plus 384. Then fourth is 2 into minus 2, minus 2 into minus 4. Whenever it is multiplication of integer, first you have to multiply the sign. First you have to multiply the sign. First they have to multiply this. 1 minute. Minus 2 into minus 4 into 6 into minus 8. Let us see. Yes. Yes, that also you write. No problem. With pencil or pen you can show this, because this is the learning process, my dear. I have to explain this. In examination you can write directly, no problem. What is sign of this? Minus. What is sign of this? Minus. What is sign of 6? Plus. What is sign of 8? Minus. Let us multiply. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into plus, plus. Then plus into minus, minus. So final answer will be minus 2 4 is 8, 8 6 is 48, 48 8 is 384. Answer is minus 384. Yes. Write on this. Answer is minus 384. Correct. Then next is minus 2 into minus 4 into minus 6 into minus 8. Minus 2 into minus 4 into minus 6 into minus 8. So minus 2 into minus 4 into minus 6 into minus 8. So now next is fifth one. Fifth one, minus 2 into minus 4 into minus 6 into minus 8 into minus 8. Wait. We'll see. Mute the microphone, my dear. Let me explain. No, this is minus sign, minus 6, minus 8. Let us multiply. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus will be plus. So final sign will be plus. Then multiply the number. 2 4 is 8, 8 6 is 48, 48 8 is 384. So answer is plus 384. We write simply 384. Plus sign we don't show. Is it clear? In this type of problem, you have to multiply the sign first. Now you will write one note. This note you have to remember. What is happening? See. What is happening? In this, how many times minus sign is there? 1, 2, 3. So whenever minus, and you know odd number and even number. The number which comes in the table of 2 are even number, and the number which does not come in the table of 2 are odd number. So in this, minus is multiplied how many times? 3 times. So whenever minus is multiplied odd number of times, final sign will be minus. In this, minus is multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Even number of times. 4 is an even number. So whenever minus is multiplied odd times, it will be minus. Whenever minus is multiplied even times, it will be plus. So this note you have to write. This note you have to write minus sign, and it is multiplied. It is multiplied. There are two things. Odd number of times, odd number of times. Write on this. Write on. You have to write on this. Minus sign is multiplied odd number of times. Odd number of times. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7. Odd number of times. So final sign will be minus. Final sign will be minus. Final sign will be minus. And whenever minus sign, my dear, everything is clear. Odd number of times, my dear. And whenever minus sign is multiplied, even number of times, final, 1 minute, I am ready. Final sign will be plus. So this you have to remember. Whenever minus sign is multiplied, in this minus sign is multiplied 4 times, and 4 is an even number. So final sign will be plus. I have written plus. In this minus sign is multiplied 3 times. 3 is the odd number. So final sign will be minus. So whenever minus sign is multiplied even number of times, the final sign will be plus. And whenever minus sign is multiplied odd number of times, odd number means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Odd number means those number which does not come in the table of 2. So you have to see minus sign is how many times. If minus sign is odd number of times, then final sign will be minus. If minus sign is even number of times, multiplied even number of times, final sign will be plus. So this is my multiply. Minus sign is multiply. Cross means multiplication. So whenever minus sign is multiplied odd number of times, final sign will be minus. Whenever minus sign is multiplied even number of times, final sign will be plus. This you have to remember, my dear. Yes. So you know the odd number, even number. Those number which comes in the table of 2 are even numbers. Those number which does not come in the table of 2 are odd numbers. That's all. So this result you have to remember, note. Now next is determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is. You have to find the number, seventh one. Find the product of integer, determine the integer. Determine means find out. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1, whose product with minus 1 is, you have to multiply the number with minus 1. First, minus 47. So you have to find the product of minus 47 with minus 1. So what you will get? Tell me. So you will write minus 47. Minus 47. You have to product means multiplication with minus 1. Now minus into minus plus. 47 into 1, that is 47. Answer is plus 47. Second it is 63. You have to find the product of 63 with minus 1. So 63 into minus 1. What is sign of 63? Plus. Plus into minus. So answer will be minus 63. The product of 63 with minus 1 is minus 63. Then third is minus 1. And fourth is 0. 0 multiplied by any number. 0 multiplied by any number will be 0. 0 multiplied by any number will be 0. Minus 1, it will be minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, it will be plus 1. Minus into minus plus. Minus 1, the product of minus 1 with minus 1 will be plus 1. And the product of 0 with minus 1 will be 0. Because 0 multiplied by any number will give you 0. 0 multiplied by any number will give you 0. Yes. 0 multiplied with any number will give you 0. 0 multiplied with any number, multiplication with any number will give you 0. That you have to remember. And multiplication of minus will be plus. Now our next question. Yes, my dear. Ask. Answer is plus 1. You have to multiply minus 1 with minus 1. So minus into minus plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 1. And fourth answer is 0 because 0 into minus 1 will be 0. Yes. Now, is it clear this concept? Now we do eighth one. Eighth one. 18 integers are multiplied together. 18 integers. We'll see 18 integers are multiplied. It is written multiplied, multiplication. 18 integers are multiplied together. 18 integers are multiplied together. What will be the sign of the product? What will be the sign? You have to find the sign. What will be the sign of the product? After multiplication, what is the sign that you have to find? You have to find the sign, not the number. You have to find the sign of the product. Whenever it is very much clear, my dear. Find the sign of the product. Sign of the product. You see the adjustment of your phone. If now first condition 15 are negative. First, there are 15 integer. And 3 are positive. So 15 integer and 3 integer. 3 integer, they are multiplied. 15 integer and 3 integers, they are multiplied. Now, what is the sign of this 15? 15 of them are negative. 15 are negative sign. And 3 integer, they are having positive sign. So now you tell me, what is 15? Odd or even? Odd. 15 is odd. So whenever you are multiplying minus sign odd number of times, the result will be minus sign. Because odd, we are multiplying minus sign. We are multiplying minus sign 15 times. So result will be odd. Result will be minus sign. And you are multiplying 3 integer. What is 3? You are multiplying 3 integer with plus sign. So plus into plus into plus. All are plus. When all are plus, the result will be plus. The result will be plus. Now what is multiplication of minus and plus? Tell me. What is multiplication of minus and plus? Minus and plus will be minus. Multiplication of minus and plus is minus. So finally sign is minus. So product of the sign is minus. So write on this. Product of write down. Yes, with arrow. So product sign will be minus. Answer is product sign is minus. Because 15 is the odd number. So when odd number of times you will multiply minus sign, you will get minus sign. And plus, all are plus, 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 plus. So all are plus means the final sign will be my plus sign. Then multiplication of minus and plus will be minus. So final sign is minus. Final sign is minus. Because 15 are odd. 15 we'll see. We will go step by step. Nothing, my dear, everything is proper. Yes. Because when you will say anything, immediately I check. Now second, 12 of them are negative. 12 integers, they are having minus sign. 12 integers, they are having minus sign. And remaining, how many are remaining? 6. Because total there are 18 integers. So 12 are negative sign, remaining 6, they are having positive sign. Plus sign. Now you tell me, negative sign, you are multiplying how many times? 12. Now what is 12? Even or odd? Tell me. Even. So 12 is even number. So you are multiplying minus sign even number of times. So whenever minus sign is multiplied even number of times, what is the final sign? Final sign will be plus. And 6 6 times you are multiplying plus sign, plus 6 times. So multiplication of all these will be plus only. And what is the final sign? Plus into plus. Plus into plus. Plus into plus will be, no my dear, plus into plus will be plus. So final sign is, yes. So final sign is plus. So product sign is minus, product sign is plus. Product sign will be plus in this. Product sign will be plus. Because you are multiplying minus sign 12 times. 12 is an even number. So whenever minus is multiplied even number of times, the product will be plus. And 6 is all are positive. So all are positive means it will be plus sign. Plus into plus, plus into plus, plus into plus, plus into plus, plus into plus. So all will be plus. Then plus into plus will be plus. So final product sign is plus. Then 9 of them are positive and the remaining are negative. Total there are 18 integers. Total there are 18 integers. 9 of them are positive and the remaining are negative. So if 9 are positive, what are the remaining? Remaining is 9 because total there are 18. Total there are 18. Yes, so let us see. So total there are 18 integers. Total there are 18 integers. Okay. Out of this 18 integer, there are 9 integers. There are 9 integers. And the remaining is, this is my remaining, no? Total there are 18. So if 9 I have concluded, remaining, this is my remaining. So 9 integers are remaining. 9 integers are remaining. Now first this 9 integer, they have positive sign. This integer, they have positive. My dear, wait. They integer, no wait. First 9 integer they have plus sign and the remaining 9 integer they have minus sign. So let us see there. 9, whenever it is plus sign, when all are plus, the result will be plus. All are plus, the result will be plus. Remember, we only see minus. This is minus sign. But how many are multiplied? 9. And what is 9? Odd or even? Odd. 9 is odd number. So whenever minus sign is multiplied odd times, the result will be minus. The result will be minus. Because 9 is an odd number. You are multiplying minus sign odd times. And finally plus into minus. Plus into minus will be minus. So product sign is minus. Yes. Yes, my dear. My dear, it is given in the question. In the beginning it is given. Total 18 integers are there. Total 18 integers are there. If 9 are positive, then remaining from 18 you subtract 9. What is left? 9. So 9 are remaining and 9 remaining are negative. And 9 is an odd number. So you are multiplying minus sign odd times. So it will be minus. You are multiplying 9 plus sign 9 times. So it will be plus. So plus into minus will be minus. So product sign is minus. Now next is all are, fourth one, all are negative. All 18 are negative. All 18 are negative. Fourth one, total there are 18 total there are 18 integers, correct? And all 18 integers, they are minus sign. All 18 integers, they are having minus sign. So now you see 18 is odd or even? Even, because 18 comes in the table of 2. So even number of integers are multiplied minus sign. So finally it will be plus sign. plus sign. Yes, yes. Because all 18 is a even number. Even number of times when you multiply minus, you will get plus sign. So product sign is plus. So product sign. So multiplication of all 18 integer will give you plus sign. Yes, yes. So 18 is a even number. Then ninth one. Find which is greater. Find which is greater. Find which is greater. Greater, you have to use this symbol. Greater, less than, or equal to. Whatever you want. Yes, yes. You have to use the symbol greater, less than, or equal to. You have to use the symbol greater, less. No, my dear, nothing should be done in the textbook. I don't want your textbook to be, I do not want the beauty of your textbook should be dull. Because when you write anything in the textbook, it becomes dull. So that it, notebook. In my class, nothing should be written in the textbook, my dear. Everything you have to write in the notebook. Now, first question is 8 plus 10 into 15, 8 plus 10 into 15, then or which is greater, this number or 8 plus 10 into 15, 8 plus 10 into 15, which is greater, that you have to find. No, my dear, you cannot say anything. You have to work out. You have to work out which is greater. You have to fill in the blank. Now we evaluate first this. First we simplify the bracket. Yes or no? First we simplify the bracket. So 8 plus 10, 18. 18 into 15. What is 18 into 15? 15 8s are 1 minute. 270. No, this value is 270. Let me see this value. Let me solve this value. Wait, my dear. Have patience. Now see here. Now see, yesterday I had given you BODMAS. First you have to open the bracket, then division, then multiplication, then addition. So whenever multiplication and addition are there, first you have to perform multiplication. So first you have to perform multiplication, my dear, not addition, remember. Because BODMAS, you have to follow BODMAS. First bracket opening, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So first I have to perform multiplication, not addition. So 8 I will write 8 only. So 8 plus 10 into 15. This I will perform first. 150. So 8 plus 150. Answer is 158. Answer is 158. Now you tell me which is greater, 270 or 158? 1 minute. Now 8. Yes. Whenever two signs are together, you have to follow BODMAS. First you have to open the bracket, then division, then multiplication, then addition, subtraction. So first you have to perform multiplication, because first it is multiplication and after that it is addition. So first I will perform these two. 10 into 15, 150. 150 I will add 8, that is 158. So now you have two numbers, 270 and 158. Which is greater? 270. So this is my greater. Yes. Because BODMAS says first you have to simplify the bracket. First you have to simplify the bracket. So yes, first you have to simplify the bracket. So this bracket I have simplified first. Are you getting? Before multiplication and division there is a bracket simplification, my dear. Yes, so always you remember you have to follow BODMAS. First simplify the bracket, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So that BODMAS you have to follow. Now next is 1 minute. 12 into 6 minus 8. 12 into 6 minus 8 or 12 into 6 minus 8. 12 into 6 minus 8. Let us see which should be performed. First you will perform the bracket. Are you getting? So that will be 12 into. Now this is subtraction. 6 and 8 minus sign. So what is sign of 6? Plus. What is sign of 6 plus? What is sign of 8 minus? Whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract. Not 2. Whenever minus 2. Whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract. 8 minus 6 is 2. Which number is bigger? Minus. 8 is bigger. What is sign of that? Minus. So it is minus 2. Minus 2 we write in the bracket. Then what is sign of 12? What is sign of now? And so this is plus minus 12 into 2 24 minus 24. This is minus 24. Let us see this side. Now you have to apply BODMAS. First you will perform multiplication. So 12 into 6 72 minus 8, that is 64. Now this is minus 24 and this is plus 64. Positive number is bigger than negative number, so this symbol will be this type. Then minus 3, there is a bigger bracket, third one. Minus 3, there is a bigger bracket. Minus 3 minus 4. Minus 3 minus 4. Then bracket close. Into minus 5. Into minus 5 or minus 3, I am writing below, minus 3 minus 4 into minus 5. Minus 3 minus 4 into minus 5. Are you getting? Okay. Let us check this. So whenever it is, you have to follow BODMAS, my dear. You have to follow BODMAS. First you have to simplify the bracket. So bracket it is, what is there in the bracket? Minus 3 minus 4. There is no multiplication sign. No, my dear. There is no multiplication sign. It is simply minus 3 and minus 4. So both have same sign, minus minus. So whenever they have same sign, you have to add the integer and take the common sign. So minus common sign will be minus 7. So minus 7 is this bracket value, because there is no multiplication, my dear. Into minus 5. No, not minus. Yes. Now minus into minus, it will be plus. 7 into 5, 35. So answer is plus 35. Let us see this value. Minus 3, minus 4, and now which one you will perform first? First you will perform multiplication. First you will simplify this part. Wait. So minus 3 we write as it is. Now what is multiplication of minus 4 and minus 5? Minus into minus plus 4 into 5, 20. Now again, what is sign of 3? Minus. What is sign of 20? Plus. Minus and plus. Yes. Minus and plus, they have opposite sign. Minus and plus, they are opposite sign. So you have to subtract. 20 minus 3 is 17. Now which sign is bigger? 20. What is sign of that? Plus 17. Answer is plus 17. Now which number is bigger, plus 17 or plus 35? 35. So sign will be this way. Sign will be this way. Yes? Yes. So this complete this. Only last part is left, that we will see next period. It is 12:10. We stop here because I have lecture in some other class after this. Okay. Bye bye bye. Bye everybody. Bye everybody. Bye bye. This video I will share. I will share the video